All right, it's Monday, March 4th. Just following up on the SPY, you can see here price has moved up to take out the highs of the day on its secondary push. I bought some call options here on this green reversal bar after an orderly pullback. Those options right now, I bought the 508 calls at 601. They're up to, they're asking 642 at the moment. So it's a nice gain here. If you want to scale out, set up a no risk trade. Either way, no need, you should don't do no worse than break even if we get a failure. This is kind of the second, well, to me, it's one push up, orderly pause for an hour, second push up on the day. So I still think there's a target up here to the blue line. That's yesterday's high. Ideally, we should take that out before any kind of failure happens. Other than that, if we don't get up there, then it's kind of an inside bar forming. And then if we come down tomorrow, it could be an inside bar just filling that gap before it moves higher, or it could be a big failure too. But it would be a better failure if we're going to go down to take out that high first. So I'm hoping, it kind of gets to that target and then we kind of see what unfolds from there. But at least for today, the overall bias has been upside right out of the gates here, taking out the first bar high, moving to the pre-market highs up here, pausing a little bit, orderly pause, and this is the secondary move. So, it's moving in such a slow pace today that maybe this is all you're going to get in terms of one push up, two pushes up on the day, and then we chop around or fail. I don't know. And again, I still think, given that big green bar, we should test those highs. So we'll see if we get there by the afternoon. But either way, no risk in terms of a very short-term trade. And we still don't really know the bigger picture, scenario yet, other than we're still moving up on the weekly chart. We have an opening price here that we want to see hold if it stays green. If we go below that, then we could be getting a red week, which could start, a pullback eventually, after all this weeks up in a row. But anyway, for now, daily chart still heading higher. Took out the that secondary push, the intraday high, and we're moving towards that yesterday's high. So we'll see if we get there. We'll see what happens at that point. And we kind of know the open of the week is right here now, so keep that as a key reference point. And we will just kind of go day by day with the SPY, throughout the rest of the week.